This is a really fun headband for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to start by folding my Bowdabra bow wire in half, laying it down into the Mini Bowdabra and tucking the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take this cute shamrock ribbon and lay that. And then I'm going to take my green and lay that in here. And then my orange, and we're mixing the Protestant and the Catholic because now everybody gets along. And so we're going to put this in here because I don't know if you guys remember, but you used to not be able to wear orange, or weren't supposed to wear orange on St. Patrick's Day. So then what I'm going to do is just take the ends, bring it back up through here, pull my two ends through my loop because I have a slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. Pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. Then I'm going to take some more Bowdabra bow wire, which I folded in half, laid that down into the Mini Bowdabra. And then I've got my, this is like a really cool ribbon that can stretch. And I like it, and you'll see it's kind of springy. So I'm just making a scrunch. And at the end of the scrunch, I'm just gonna fold that in because then we're gonna have kind of a loop on the sides. And I'll just scrunch that down and take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and separate the ends, bring them around to the back. And then I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and my little trusty stick. And you'll see this is going to make it really springy. So then I'm just going to take this piece, and as you see, I've already made one over here. I'm just going to tie this on to my headband by just pulling it around, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to just take the top part and bring this around my little bow that I just made. And then I'm going to take this piece here, and I'm going to just take a little bit of glue, and I'm going to just start here and bring this all the way around. And I've dovetailed the ends so that now this comes easily around the pipe, the chenille stem or pipe cleaner. I'm still old school, and so to me it's pipe cleaner. And just put that there and let it, so now that looks really pretty, and we're going to let that aside. Then what I'm going to do is take this ribbon that I have, and I'm just going to tie this and then I'm going to just shape my ribbon. You can see it makes a really, really cute St. Patty's Day headband.
Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.